In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the Marvel Rivals Discord server in just a few easy steps. This is a great way to connect with other players, stay updated on announcements, find teammates, and join the community all in one place. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you are on the main Discord screen, look at the left-hand menu and find the Discover icon. This is the section that lets you browse public servers and search for communities by topic or name. Click on Discover to open the server discovery page. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Marvel Rivals. Be sure to spell it clearly so Discord can show you the most relevant results. After you enter the search term, Discord will display a list of servers related to Marvel Rivals. From those results, look for the server with the most members. Usually, the largest server is the most active one, which means more players, more updates, and faster responses in the chat. Click on that first result to open the server page. Once the server page loads, you should see a Join button at the top menu. Click Join Marvel Rivals to become a member of the server. Discord may take a moment to confirm your request, and after that, you'll be inside the community and ready to explore the channels. From there, you can read announcements, join discussions, and connect with other Marvel Rivals fans and players. And that's it, you've successfully joined the Marvel Rivals Discord server. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more simple tech and gaming tutorials like this one.